My name's Stephen Koch. I'm a pioneering snowboarder, mountaineer, and mountain guide, and I'm here to share some of the experiences I've had on my journey with you.
He's a fighter. He never gives up and is always trying to push himself to further limits.
I was climbing up and I heard a noise above me, and I knew it was an avalanche.
This was a really engaging presentation.
And then it got quiet. I said, thank God, it's done. It's over. Until I realized I was in the air, launching over a cliff.
He fed off the audience, he involved them and engaged them.
Which is all we can ever do. It's the best we can with what we've got at that moment. So thank you for that question. That's a really good one.
And that was really cool how he's traveled the whole world and been through all these setbacks and had these amazing experiences.
One of the students said to the other student, "So what's this assembly about? Is it something I should go to?" And the student says, "Yeah, it was one of the most inspiring assemblies that I've ever been to."
It was one of the best assemblies that we've had at our high school. To be able to have someone come into your school and connect with your kids and give them a message of hope and to be able to achieve their dreams is something that all administrators want for their students.
I heard about Stephen Koch as a motivational speaker from one of my colleagues, and when I heard of his story, I knew we had to bring him to Gear Up. Stephen he embodies Gear Up because he sets goals and he persists and he achieves them, and that's what we want for our Gear Up students.
I'm more inspired to go reach my dreams of going to NASA and helping build rockets to go into space.
It's just kind of opened my eyes and it's okay, I can still do what I want.
It really just helps me to continue trying myself and find my passion.
He just kept going through and never gave up. I just thought that was really inspiring because if you have something that you want to do and you're trying to push towards, and even if there's all these blocks, if it's something you really want to do, just go for it. It's your decision to tell yourself what you can and can't do.
I would say you should definitely bring Stephen Koch on. He's affordable, he does a great cost share. He catered to our individual program's needs.
For me personally, that's where I would recommend him to come because he's very real and he also has a great message for kids.
Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and a great journey.